Can managers avoid cognitive biases in decision models? Have you ever wondered how managers make decisions and whether they can avoid the mental traps that often lead to poor choices? Cognitive biases are common patterns in human thinking that can influence how information is perceived and decisions are made. While it is impossible for managers to completely avoid these biases, they can take steps to significantly reduce their impact. Cognitive biases such as overconfidence, confirmation bias, partial vision bias, affinity bias, and outcome bias can all affect managerial decisions. These biases may cause managers to favor information that supports their existing beliefs or overlook important alternatives. They might also judge decisions based on outcomes rather than the quality of the decision-making process itself. For first-time managers and young professionals, understanding these biases is essential for improving decision-making skills. Being aware of these biases allows leaders to question their assumptions and seek diverse perspectives. This critical evaluation of information helps them avoid relying solely on intuition. So, how can managers reduce cognitive biases in their decision models? One effective strategy is to use structured decision-making processes. By employing formal frameworks that requiring systematic evaluation of alternatives and outcomes, managers can counteract biases that arise from intuition or incomplete information. Another practical approach is to seek diverse input from team members. Encouraging contributions from individuals with different backgrounds and viewpoints broadens the range of perspectives considered. This practice helps reduce the risk of affinity bias and partial vision bias. Managers should also actively question their assumptions. Challenging prior beliefs and hypotheses combats confirmation bias, prompting managers to consider evidence that contradicts their initial views. Using data and evidence is another way to minimize the influence of subjective biases. Relying on objective data rather than anecdotal experiences or gut feelings can lead to more rational decisions. Implementing decision rules is also beneficial. Establishing clear criteria for decisions and utilizing checklists or decision audits helps managers focus on relevant factors. This practice prevents them from being swayed by irrelevant or misleading information. Reflecting on past decisions is crucial as well. Reviewing decisions and their outcomes with a focus on the decision process, rather than just the results, allows managers to learn and adjust for future biases. While no method guarantees the complete elimination of cognitive biases, these approaches can help managers make more balanced decisions. Organizations can support this by creating cultures that value critical thinking, transparency, and continuous learning. For new managers and young professionals, developing these habits early in their leadership journey builds stronger decision-making capabilities. Recognizing that biases exist and taking active steps to address them is a key part of growing as a leader.